Here's an easy St. Patrick's Day craft for the kids to make, a rainbow pot of gold chain link. It's a great decoration piece for parties or to hang outside. You will need construction paper, scissors, gold glitter, glue, tape, a stapler, and clear thread. Start by cutting red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple strips of paper. Roll them into circles and staple them together to make rainbow chain links. Cut out a black pot, a handle, and yellow circles for the gold. Glue the yellow circles together and glue it to the top of the black pot. Tape one side of the handle to the back of the pot and loop it through the purple chain and tape it to the other side of the pot. Add some glue on the yellow circles and sprinkle the gold glitter and knock off the excess. Take some clear thread and knot it at the top to hang. Thanks for watching and make sure to join me next week.